Good morning everyone, it is 6 o'clock and I am on my way to Scotland. So I have just arrived in Edinburgh. So I have just got changed. I'm off to explore Edinburgh and take you along with me. Let's go. Currently walking up a lot of steps to try and search for my family. Anthropology. So I'll show you my outfit of the day. I have a top from And Other Stories, which is super cute. I also got my hair cut. My fringe is back. Anyway, And Other Stories jeans, night blazers. Hi guys, this light is so harsh, so ignore that. I am ready for dinner. I'm on my way to dinner. I've got these leather flare trousers on, this mesh long sleeve top and my big coat. It is currently about 8 o'clock and we are heading to dinner. It is actually really cold, so I'm nice and wrapped up. Good morning guys, so I have just had the most amazing breakfast at Hula Juice Cafe. Now we are just off to explore Edinburgh. I'm just wearing some dungarees, a vintage sweater vest.